Hello everyone, so welcome to the second video of our Practically SEO course, which is about optimizing for voice search. So I'm from Perliman SEO YouTube channel. So in the first video, we discussed why does it matter to optimize for voice search, and then in this video uh, we will be a little bit more expanding on our first video, where I will be talking about what is actually voice search optimization and why does it matter. We have already discussed, by the way, but we will briefly touch on it again. And in the last, we will discuss whether it's the future, like the growth is expected or not. So, welcome to the world where technology and convenience intersect. So where have I brought you, might you ask? We are diving headfirst into the fascinating world of voice search optimization, and this is the second video of it. Now, what on earth is that, you may wonder? Will you already part of it when you ask Siri about the weather, or tell Alexa to play you a song, or ask Google to find you the best pizza places in town? Each time when you interact with these devices, these virtual assistants uh, uh, have already provided you relevant information quickly and efficiently. Like we use it as a part of daily lives. Here is a fact to surprise you. These seemingly simple tasks are outcome of intricate technological mechanism, one of which is voice search optimization. So it's uh, by the way, a subset of search engine optimization, which we called SEO, and voice search optimization is normally VSO in a shortcut. So it focus exclusively on optimizing businesses and websites for voice-based search. So more people are now using voice search, changing the way people search online, and therefore the way businesses must cater to these searches. The days of typing in queries in search engines are slowly giving way to voice commands with increasing accuracy in voice recognition, the AI evolution and rising use of smart speakers in households. The relevance and necessity for voice search optimization grow. And who can deny the sheer convenience of it? Yeah. No more hunching or keyboards are squinting at screen typos. Just say it and you receive something. Yeah, it sounds very simple, by the way, specifically if you're a native. Our aim here is to help you understand this phenomenon. So I have already discussed in my first video, why does it matter. So you might be a business owner looking to adopt your online presence for voice searches, or maybe a student of SEO. You want to learn about new trends. Simply, you can be a curious explorer in the expansive universe of technology. So this series is for you, I would say. For the next couple of weeks, we will guide you through the complexities and critical strategies for effective voice search optimization. We will talk trends, tactics, and transformations. And by the end of this series, you will be well equipped to harness the power of voice search for your benefit. I think so. So it's time to kind of embrace voice search optimization. I think we should open our minds, get ready for a journey, for a new journey, by the way. Um, like they say, we don't type anymore, we speak. So let's speak the language of the future, shall we? So I think uh, wow, let's move to the next topic, which is why does it matter, which I already discussed. It's discussed in our first video. I will put the link to that. I wanted to give you a brief overview of that as well, but since we are already, um, I, I, I I firmly believe in shorter format videos, so it's already going to be a 5 to 6 minute video. So that's why I don't want to touch something that I've already discussed. So you just need to go to that link. And then, is it the future? I guess I have already answered. Yeah, we don't type anymore, we speak. So let's speak the language of the future. Yeah. So it's a kind of future. As far as I can see it. So yeah. That's it. Thank you. Until the next episode, stay curious and remember your voice is now your new passport.